In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize meeting reminders in HubSpot. Customizing meeting reminders can make a huge difference in how effectively you communicate with your clients and team members. So let's get started. First up, we'll need to navigate to the HubSpot website. So open your web browser and type in hubspot.com. This is where all the magic begins. Once you're there, the next step you'll want to take is to log into your account. To do this, simply look for the login button. You should find it pretty easily on the top right corner of the homepage. Click that and enter your account details. If you have two-factor authentication set up, make sure you have your mobile device or any verification method you use ready, as you might need it to proceed with this step. Once you're logged in and successfully navigated to the HubSpot home, our next step is to go to your dashboard or main page, which HubSpot refers to as the home. The home section typically displays an overview of your recent activities, reports, and other relevant information central to your HubSpot usage. It's a great starting point to access all sorts of tools available in HubSpot. Next, we're going to head over to the library section. You can do this by looking for the library entry in your navigation menu. It might be located under a broader category such as sales or marketing, depending on your HubSpot configuration and permissions. Inside the library, it's time to focus on the meeting scheduler. This is the tool that lets you customize different settings related to your meetings, including the reminders. Find the link labeled Meeting Scheduler and give it a click. This will bring you to a page where all of your meeting configurations live. Now here comes the exciting part. Customization. Since you want to edit your meeting reminders, look for the edit button associated with a specific meeting or reminder setup you want to alter. Clicking on Edit is your gateway to unleash creativity and precision in how your reminders are structured and sent out. By editing this section, you will have the ability to adjust the timing of reminders, such as conducting them an hour before, a day in advance, or whatever suits your preference and routine. Consider who your audience is and what their availability might be when customizing these options. Thoughtful reminders can enhance meeting attendance and engagement, providing your participants with more effective time management. Once you've finished personalizing your settings, ensure you save any new changes to lock them in. Being thorough with your reminder customization ensures your meetings are attended and conducted with maximum efficiency. That's all there is to it. You're now ready to make the most of your HubSpot meeting reminders and keep your schedule running without a hitch.